Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Creative Fun Haven. Today we're going to draw something magical and chilly. A beautiful snowflake. Hold your pencil nice and gentle, and let's begin. First, draw one straight line going up and down. Nice and slow, from the top to the bottom. Great. This is the middle of our snowflake. Now let's add two slanted lines. Draw one line from this corner to that corner. Now draw another slanted line crossing the middle. Look, we have 6 arms now, just like a real snowflake. Now let's decorate each arm. Pick one long line. Draw a tiny line sticking out on one side. Now a tiny line on the other side. Good. Do the same thing on all 6 arms. Take your time. Snowflakes grow slowly. Now let's make our snowflake sparkle. Add small circles near the tips of the lines. One little circle and another. They look like tiny snowballs. Next, let's add little triangles. Draw small triangles between the lines, go slowly, and add just a few. Beautiful. Every snowflake is special. Now it's time to color. Use soft colors like light blue, white, or silver. Color gently, just like falling snow. Look at your beautiful snowflake. You did an amazing job today. Remember, no two snowflakes are the same, just like you. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and I'll see you soon on Creative Fun Haven. Bye.